Hey everyone and welcome to my channel Learning Hub. I'm Sanya Tasleem and in this channel we'll be learning things by making them easy and fun. So today we'll be learning Class 10 Biology Life Processes NCERT. So let's get started. At first, what are life processes? Life processes are those processes which are required for life. There are 4 processes: nutrition, respiration, circulation and excretion. Let's start with our first process, nutrition. Process of taking nutrients and then utilization in body is known as nutrition. There are 2 types of nutrition, autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. These are 2 modes of nutrition. What is autotrophic nutrition? In this type of nutrition, an organism does not depend upon another organism for food. It can make its own food, example plants and euglena. Euglena is protozoa. Now, heterotrophic nutrition. In this type of nutrition, an organism depends on other organisms for food, example humans. We humans depend on plants for food. Types of heterotrophic mode of nutrition. First is saprophytic. In saprophytic, an organism feeds on dead and decaying substances like fungus, bacteria, etc. Now second one is parasitic mode of nutrition. In this type of nutrition, an organism feeds on the host body without killing it. In this mode of nutrition, an organism does not require digestion of food. Example in plants, cascata, in animals, lice and leech. The third one is symbiotic. In this mode of nutrition, 2 organisms give virtual benefit to each other. Example, algae and fungus. Fourth is holozoic mode of nutrition. In this type of nutrition, an organism feeds on complex food. Example, humans. Now, let's learn about photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process by which plants prepare their own food. Carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll gives C6H12O6 glucose plus O2 oxygen. From xylem takes the water up to the leaves where CO2 is present. Now sunlight converts chloroplast into chlorophyll. All the basic raw materials of photosynthesis are available. So photosynthesis takes place and glucose and O2 is produced. There are 2 types of photosynthesis: light reaction during day and dark reaction during night. Now what happens in desert plant? Desert plant converts leaves into spine to reduce transpiration, that is loss of water. Now, the steps involved in nutrition are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Let's start with ingestion. Ingestion is the process of taking in of food. Second is digestion, process of converting water and insoluble food into soluble form. Third is absorption, process of absorbing nutrients from the food by blood. Fourth is assimilation, process of utilizing of nutrients by cell for their growth. Fifth is egestion, process of disposal of harmful waste from the body. These are the steps involved in nutrition. Now let us see how does nutrition in amoeba takes place. Holozoic nutrition takes place in amoeba. The outer covering of amoeba is known as pseudopodia and the liquid inside it is known as cytoplasm. Now, ingestion takes place in amoeba. The amoeba engulfs its prey through holozoic nutrition. Second is digestion. In this process, food vacuole surrounds the prey. Now, third and fourth is absorption and assimilation. In these processes, the food vacuole inserts chemicals. Now, the fifth process is egestion. The nutrients is absorbed and the waste materials is excreted out of the body. Process is known as digestion. Now this is Holozoic nutrition in amoeba. Now what is the process by which amoeba engulfs the food? It's known as phagocytosis. And the process by which amoeba drinks any liquid is known as pinocytosis. Now let us learn about Holozoic nutrition in human. Is human digestive system. It consists of salivary gland, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, pancreas, pecten, appendix, gallbladder and liver. This is human digestive system which helps in nutrition. Now let's start. Mouth, which consists of salivary amylase, helps in digestion in stomach. Mouth, which consists of salivary amylase, helps in digestion in stomach. Esophagus, it has no enzyme, no digestion of food takes place. Here only peristaltic movement takes place. In stomach, gastric juices are released such as HCl, pepsin and mucus. HCl kills germs, pepsin which converts protein into ketones and mucus protects stomach from HCl acid. Now the food goes from the stomach to small intestine, but there is liver and pancreas in between. Liver, which consists of gallbladder, secretes bile juice which emulsifies fat, and pancreas consists of pancreatic juices. Small intestine consists of intestinal juices. Intestinal juices convert glucose into glycogen, protein into amino acid and fats into acid and fat into fatty acid which makes it blood soluble. Last is the large intestine. No enzyme, no digestion takes place in it. Only water absorption takes place in large intestine. So that was all for today's video. In today's video we covered the first part, that is nutrition, of the chapter life processes. The next video will start with the second part, that is respiration. So guys, that's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, please like and share my video and subscribe my channel Learning Hub. So I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care.